Hi, welcome to this video on Excel, looking at the various ways of concatenating text or joining text together. This video was recorded in January 2021 using Excel 365. Other versions may be slightly different. So to concatenate means to join pieces of text together to make one long, bigger piece of text. So on screen I've got some values here that I want to make into one long line, and I can do that using a function called concat. Well, actually there's two functions, one called concat and there's one called concatenate. So let's look at both of them. So concatenate, first of all, that is the original function, and it's been replaced by concat. And let's have a little look at the limitations between one and the other. So if I use concatenate, what this wants now is it's saying give me all of your bits of string that you want to add together. So I will say this, and then I put a comma, and then I can say this, and a comma, and this, and I can, it's a bit slow, but I can select everything, and then it'll put them all together. Not ideal, obviously, without spaces, but you get the idea. So that's concatenate. Now, with what you can do with concat is, if I do concat rather than concatenate, it allows you to provide an array. So instead of doing it one at a time, you can provide an array to get the same result. And you can, if you want, you can highlight the cells to make that array, or if you know how to type it, you put the starting cell, you put colon and then the ending cell, and it will do all in between as part of the array. If you want to make this a proper sentence, then you're going to have to kind of spend a little bit of time on this. So if we do equals concat, and we'll do that, then you put a comma, and then you need to add a space. So to add a space, you use double quotes, you put a space, double quotes. So the double quotes are the symbol you use to surround text. So there's a double quotes, and then we use a comma, and then we'll say we're interested in B2, comma, double quotes, space, double quotes, comma, C2, comma. So it is quite laborious, but there it is, D2. And then we get that result there. There is a third way of concatenating text, and that is not to use either of those two functions and just use the and symbol. So if we go down here, we've got 4 parts of somebody's name and age. So if I just want the name part, I can say equals B2, and then I do the and symbol to say I want B2 and another bit of text, so I can put a space using the same double quotes as I used in the functions. And then I press and again, and I do C2. Oh yeah, sorry, 6, not 2. And doing that, I've got a bit more control. I mean, it's very similar to concat. I prefer using it in this way, really. So if I do C6, and then I put a comma instead of just a space, I put a comma space, B6, then I can get that. Or maybe I can even do C6 and comma space and B6 and space, start brackets, end text, and D6 and end brackets. So there are the 3 different ways of concatenating text. I hope you found that video helpful. Thank you for watching.